y'all so much for tuning in to today's video today. So I am wearing Joedir Gianna today. Gianna. So this is Gianna. You can order her on Amazon. I'm going to place the information below in the description area for you. Again, Gianna.
Like a broken soul in a wonderland without angels. That is how I feel when the mirror shows me a stranger. Yeah. And I know they're just fragments of a world where your absence all I get to see. Take me back to the planet where you and I are still meant to be. 'Cause I'm incomplete when you ain't by my side, when you don't wake up next to me. Yeah, I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets. 'Cause I'm incomplete. Yeah, I'm incomplete. I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets. 'Cause I'm incomplete. Yeah, I'm incomplete. But it won't be long before I realize it's a picture in my head, And I know they're just fragments of a world where your absence all I get to see. Take me back to the planet where you and I are still meant to be. 'Cause I'm incomplete when you ain't by my side, when you don't wake up next to me. Yeah, I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets. 'Cause I'm incomplete. Cause I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets. 'Cause I'm incomplete.
Yeah, but anyway, let me tell you about this beauty that I am wearing. So this is Gianna. She is super long. She's long, okay? But pretty. Very, very beautiful, y'all. Like, I'm really, really, really liking this one. The only thing is, I did get some shedding during the process of getting this beauty on. I did experience some shedding. She is like a yucky texture. Hairline is pretty good. Definitely not straight all the way around. The part, it's like a 4-inch part. Very nice. Put makeup in it, so it looks more natural like that. Let me zoom in so y'all can see a little bit better. Here's the part. Can y'all see that? Okay. I would not say she's super big head friendly, but I do have room in here. I have very short hair. My head size is a little bit smaller than average, but my head is, like, I feel like this is comfortable. I'm able to do this, and this is how much room I still have in here. So if you cuties braid your hair down, she could very much so be big head friendly if you secure your hair down properly, okay? So she does shed some. You will want to use wig control spray. You will see that I applied wig control spray. I did use my setting lotion foam to kind of help with the flyaways and kind of, you know, make the hair look not so frizzy, and you know, it just looks like kind of like you're in the humidity, and the humidity is making your hair stand up. So that's what I did. I applied those products to make her look more put together. And then I did brush through her, and I have not had a whole lot of shedding since then. But this is what her ends look like. She's pretty much straightforward, nice and wavy. I love the deep waves. Very cute style, nice, long, and sexy. So, yeah. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this one. This is another cutie from Amazon. I just be trying to show y'all can get quick shipping and affordably, you know, purchase wigs that are cute, affordable, and you get very quickly. So, especially with everything going on right now. What else do I need to tell you? I think that's pretty much it. I paid under $40 for her, but please remember that prices are subject to change, beauties. I'll put all the info in the description box for you. If you purchase her, if you purchase like any of these wigs, y'all, please share pictures with me. Tag me in them on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, whatever. If y'all on there, I be playing on TikTok and stuff too, y'all. I be having a good old time. So, yeah, but y'all let me know what y'all think. I think she's beautiful. She's gonna require some work. I know now and in the future to make sure I keep her detangled. But she's definitely very cute and lightweight, not heavy. This is pretty much all the hair you get in terms of density. So she's not like super full. This is all you get. So don't forget, you guys, check out the video on this makeup that I am rocking. Okay. This these e.l.f. products that I created this look with. I'm sitting over here because I just finished filming over here for the makeup portion of the video. So I just said, you know what, I ain't going back over there to finish filming the hair part because it just makes no sense. The lighting and everything is all good over here. So I was like, we'll finish over here. So